For doing one more level of optimization, we will try to write some code in Groovy. I will try to keep it as simple as I can so that you can also understand along the way what exactly I'm trying to do. Let's jump on to the action. We created one simple job, then we compiled multiple jobs, but now it's time to generate some jobs dynamically using some template based thing. So for that, let's create one more directory here. Let's name it as dynamic jobs. And inside this also, I will further create two folders, one with name src, inside which I will keep my Groovy code. And let's create one more directory with name pipelines. So inside this, I will keep my pipeline definition. Let's create few more files here. So the first file will be, let's say, main.groovy, which will be the entry point for everything. I will write some code here in order to generate jobs. So inside this pipeline folder, I will write some YAML files in the form of my job definition. So we'll see that step by step, don't worry. So inside this main.groovy, let's try to do some print operation first of all. So I will just write down a print statement. So let's just write a simple hello world and try to commit it. I'm not writing any job definition here. I'm just trying to configure my Groovy script in place so that we can see earlier what was we were doing. We were directly putting the job definitions here, but this time there is no job definition, and I've just added a simple print statement. Let's try to configure the same in the Jenkins also. So my main script has now changed, and I'll be using this for now. It is inside examples, dynamic jobs, src, and main.groovy. So let's change the same in. Let's copy this path reference as well, and let's change this also in our job. So in the seed job, I will just update this path. So earlier it was this regex thing, but now this has changed to this example dynamic jobs, src, and main.groovy, right? And let's save it and try to run it now. Let's see what happens. So it will delete the previous two jobs, and you can see my print statement is visible here. We can conclude like we can write some Groovy code there, and that code will be visible here. So I can write anything in Groovy in that file, and my work will be done. So let's try to optimize it a bit more.